So digital smile design is a great tool that we use in our office to basically simulate a smile on a patient. We use a combination of video and photography. The photography is used to kind of place the patient's teeth, so we kind of get an idea of where the patient's teeth are in their mouth. And also we use intraoral scanner to then scan their teeth and combine that with their photo. This gives us the ability to, once we make the two-dimensional changes in their smile, we can actually transfer that to a 3D cast, digital cast. And then from there, we're actually able to take that information and using a putty matrix, basically a rubber copy of the teeth, we're able to fill that with composite and then transfer it to the patient's mouth. There's two parts to it. There's a two-dimensional part, which is basically on the iPad. But the part I like to use the most is the three-dimensional part because it allows us to actually try in that smile on the patient. And the patient really gets to appreciate what their new smile is going to be like. And not just looking at a picture and saying, oh, that's nice. They really get to see it and feel it and see themselves talking and smiling in the video, and it's amazing.